Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Naeem Ibrahim. I'm serving as a head of corporate sales in Pakistan Accumulators, dealing mainly with VOLTA brand batteries. Alhamdulillah, I feel proud to be the part of a biggest family in the battery manufacturing. Today is a very special moment for us. Alhamdulillah, we are going to achieve another milestone in battery manufacturing and in battery field. So Pakistan Accumulators feel proud to announce that we are going to export the engineering goods to China now. Now it's in a big and the new avenue, and the trade avenue we are going to open for the rest of all and for our industry, that we are going to export the engineering goods to China. So I just want to tell you one thing only: why Chinese market and the Chinese people, our valued customer, why they choose the Pakistan and the Pakistan Accumulators. Why, once again, I want to tell you why they choose the Pakistan and the Pakistan Accumulators. This is the biggest achievement. We have three things, so many things, but I just want to highlight for three things, like our infrastructure, secondly our services, and our quality. These are the main three pillars from whom we are going to export now the battery and the battery engineering goods to the China. Thank you so very much to be with us. Hope to see you.